Hello, my name is Jason Mercer, the Toronto Real Estate Board's Director of Market Analysis. We are now through February and we continue to see the strong sales and price growth trends in 2017 that we experienced in 2016. Now, Greater Toronto Area REALTORS reported 8,014 residential sales through TREB's MLS system in February 2017. Despite the fact that February 2016 had one more day due to the leap year, this result was up on a year-over-year basis by 5.7% compared to 7,583 sales reported last year. The growth in sales suggests that Greater Toronto Area households continue to view home ownership as a quality, long-term investment. The high demand for ownership housing we're seeing is broad-based, with strong sales growth for most low-rise home types and condominium apartments as well. This makes sense given the results of a recent consumer survey undertaken for TREB by Ipsos, which found an even split between intending first-time buyers and existing homeowners who indicated that they are planning on purchasing a home in 2017. According to the recent Ipsos survey of intending GTA home buyers, first-time buyers will continue to account for much of the demand for ownership housing in Toronto and the surrounding regions. For the GTA as a whole, 53% of likely buyers indicated that they would be first-timers, up from 49% a year earlier. There has also been much speculation, both in the media and among government policymakers, about the amount of foreign buying activity in the GTA. A recent Ipsos survey of the TREB membership on foreign buying activity suggests that the impact of foreign buyers in the GTA marketplace has been somewhat overblown. GTA-wide, the number of transactions accounted for by foreign buyers was less than 5%. Furthermore, the great majority, 80% to be exact, of foreign buyers were purchasing a home as a primary residence, a home for another family member to live in, or as an investment to rent out to a tenant. While the demand for ownership housing grew over the past year, new listings entered into TREB's MLS system in February were down on a year-over-year basis by 12.5%. to 9,834. This continues to be a pattern we saw throughout much of 2016, with the sales trend pointing up while the listings trend has been down, which has resulted in a contraction of the inventory of homes available for sale. TREB's average months of inventory trend for February was at 1 month, while in many neighborhoods across the GTA, inventory can now be measured in weeks rather than months. There is no doubt that the listing supply crisis we are experiencing in the GTA has led to the double-digit home price increases we are now experiencing on a sustained basis, both in the low-rise and high-rise market segments. The MLS HPI composite benchmark price was up by 23.8% compared to February of 2016. Similarly, the average selling price was up by 27.7% year-over-year to $875,983. Annual rates of price growth continue to be strongest for low-rise home types, particularly detached houses. Growth rates for condominium apartment prices were also in the double digits, which is likely the result of strong demand from first-time home buyers. Over the past year, we have reached a point where government policies that target only the demand side of the market, whether we're talking about foreign buyers or further changes to mortgage lending guidelines, will not be enough to balance market conditions and moderate the pace of price growth. In 2017, policymakers at all three levels of government must turn their attention to the supply of homes available for sale, or lack thereof. They should consider revisiting land use designations in built-up areas to allow for a greater diversity of home types, streamlining development approvals and permitting processes, and looking at ways to incentivize landowners to develop their land. I look forward to speaking with you again in a month's time when we will continue our discussion of market trends and related policy issues. Thank you very much.
Brought to you by GTA Realtors.